It was a day of shifting of goalposts as the trial of journalist Blessed Mhlanga, popularly known as Dhara B, suffered a false start. The state, which on April 30, before Magistrate Ruth Moyo, had indicated that it was ready for trial, sought to have the case moved to June 16. The state told Magistrate Lenmo Mapie that it was seeking to postpone trial in an effort to protect the rights of Dhara B. This was after making an application to have Dhara B and HSTV dockets joined together. Both applications were opposed by Dhara B's lawyer Chris Mike and lawyer Beatrice Mutetwa, appearing for HSTV.
Wanted to apply to marry HSTV and Blessed's records so that they are tried together, with Blessed being accused one, HSTV being a second accused. Mr. Mike for Mr. Mhlanga's position is that they had come today for trial. They had made it very clear way back in January when he was taken for initial remand that he is not HSTV. So why are they now bringing in HSTV? Is that designed to defeat his defense? And they said he couldn't be taken off remand when he was last in court on the 30th of April because they had given him a trial date. Today he comes for trial and their position is that, oh, we are not ready for trial. We now have different papers to give him. So we want the matter postponed so that the court considers the marriage. Our position is that there's no law that forces two separate entities to be tried together, particularly if they do not want to be tried together. And that therefore, since Blessed wants to be tried, his rights are being violated. He has spent 73 days in custody when they didn't want him out. They cannot now say they are not ready for trial when on the 30th of April they said they are ready and will try him today, and he was insisting on being tried today.
HSTV has since indicated it will now be seeking a direct access application to the Constitutional Court to challenge Section 164 of the Criminal Codification Act, which the two are being charged. The application for direct access comes after Mapia declined to refer constitutional questions which had arose on the remand of HSTV, an online TV channel owned by Alpha Media Holdings.
Our position is that we are still pursuing the constitutional challenge by seeking direct access to the Constitutional Court, because we believe the magistrate was absolutely and totally wrong in dismissing our application for referral to Constitutional Court, because we consider that many valid constitutional issues arise from this case, particularly the fact that they are trying to reintroduce through the back door sections that have already been struck down by the Constitutional Court, and that it is a violation of the right to freedom of expression and freedom of the media to tell media houses who they can tell the world what they're saying by intimidating media houses through prosecutions.
The human rights lawyer Mutetwa feels the case is a litmus test on the protection of press freedom in Zimbabwe and should therefore be taken seriously by all journalists.
If the same media house was able to give President Mnangagwa a voice when he was in hiding in South Africa, why should Blessed Geza not be given by the same voice? Why should media houses be afraid to do that? We believe that's a constitutional issue that should be dealt with by the Constitutional Court. And therefore, because we're not ready for trial, because we're never coming for trial, we don't see why Blessed's case shouldn't proceed to trial, in the same way that they don't see why they should be forced to be with us.
Mapia postponed the matter to 15 May, where she would deliver judgment on whether to remove Dhara B from remand or to give the state its request of keeping him on remand, join him with HSTV, and push trial to June 16. Reporting for HSTV News and Current Affairs, Letwin Chitiga.